Greg Momsen, Fluid Care Manager at HYDAC South Africa, and welcome to our first episode of Condition Monitoring. In today's mining environment, modern diesel engines are more powerful and efficient than ever before, but with that advancement comes vulnerability, especially to fuel contamination. You might be wondering, why should we care about condition of the diesel we use? Modern engines rely on extremely high injection pressures, up to 3,000 bar in some cases, in order to meet performance and emission standards. At these pressures, even microscopic contaminants can cause major damage. Solid particles in diesel damage injection pumps, clog injection nozzles, disrupt combustion, and accelerate wear on engine components. Over time, this leads to reduced efficiency, costly repairs, and unplanned downtime. Water in diesel is just as dangerous. It corrodes metal components, promotes microbial growth, causes power loss, and compromises the lubrication. Without effective water separation, the entire fuel system is at risk. High-pressure common rail systems are especially sensitive. The most vulnerable components, fuel injection pumps and injectors, are also the most expensive to replace. Here's the reality. The ISO 4406 cleanliness standard for these systems is 30 to 60 times cleaner than the diesel typically delivered to site. And in addition to this, the water levels are often far below acceptable standards. Continuous diesel filtration and water separation are not optional, they're essential. At HYDAC, we provide the tools and technology to monitor and maintain diesel quality, ensuring your engine runs longer, cleaner, and more reliably. In our upcoming episodes, we'll dive deeper into diesel cleanliness standards, condition monitoring strategies, the CMX Cloud platform, and HYDAC's advanced filtration solutions. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more.